Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today let's talk about something that's been on a lot of minds. You've just had an incredible, intimate moment with your girl. She's gone down on you, and afterward, she leans in for a kiss. Now, that kiss is not just any kiss, is it? It's loaded with meaning, packed with emotion. But what does it really mean when she kisses you after a blowjob? Today, we're diving deep into the nuances of post-blowjob kisses and what they reveal about your relationship. First off, let's get one thing straight. When a woman kisses you after a blowjob, it's a powerful gesture. It's more than just a kiss. It's an unspoken communication. But depending on your relationship, her feelings, and even her mood in the moment, that kiss can mean a lot of different things. Let's break it down. 1. A couple lying in bed, the woman tenderly kissing the man after oral sex. Scenario number 1. She's deeply connected to you. This kind of kiss is tender, slow, and filled with emotion. If she's looking into your eyes, holding you close, and giving you a soft, lingering kiss, it's a clear sign she's feeling deeply connected to you. It's not just about the physical pleasure, it's about the emotional intimacy you two share. She wants to let you know that what just happened wasn't just about satisfying you. It was an act of love, and she wants to reinforce that bond with a kiss. Scenario number 2. She's playful and comfortable with you. Now, if she gives you a quick, cheeky peck right after going down on you, she's probably feeling playful and confident. This kind of kiss is more lighthearted and flirty. It's her way of saying, "I've got you wrapped around my finger and I know it." It's fun, it's carefree, and it shows that she's comfortable enough with you to play around, even in intimate moments. 3. A more intense moment. The woman passionately kissing the man immediately after oral sex. Scenario number 3. She's turned on and wants more. Sometimes that post-blowjob kiss is charged with raw passion. If she's kissing you with intensity, maybe even pulling you closer for more, it means she's turned on and ready for round 2. This kiss is full of lust. It's a clear signal that she's not done yet and wants to keep the heat going. It's her way of telling you that she's enjoying every moment just as much as you are. Scenario number 4. She's feeling vulnerable and seeking reassurance. Intimacy can bring out a lot of emotions, and sometimes a post-blowjob kiss is about seeking comfort and validation. If she's giving you a soft, almost hesitant kiss, she might be feeling vulnerable and looking for reassurance that you're still connected and on the same page. In these moments, it's important to reciprocate that affection and make her feel secure in your relationship. 5. A couple laughing together after the kiss, showing a strong bond. Scenario number 5. She's expressing trust and equality in your relationship. A kiss after oral sex can also symbolize trust and equality. It shows that she's comfortable with the give-and-take nature of your sexual relationship. By kissing you afterward, she's reinforcing the idea that intimacy is a shared experience, not just one-sided. It's about mutual pleasure and respect, and it's a sign that your relationship is built on strong, equal foundations. At the end of the day, a kiss after a blowjob can mean a lot of different things, but the common thread is that it's a gesture loaded with emotion, connection, and communication. Whether it's about deepening your bond, expressing playfulness, or igniting more passion, that kiss is an important part of your intimate relationship. So, the next time your girl kisses you after a blowjob, take a moment to appreciate the gesture and what it says about your relationship. Remember, communication and intimacy isn't just about words. It's in the little things like a simple, meaningful kiss. And if you've got your own thoughts on what that kiss means, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of relationships and intimacy. Until next time, keep the connection strong.